Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do multivariable optimizations. That is, when you have more than let's say hundreds or thousand variables, how you can do it. So as an example, I've taken a function or the cost function to be something like this. So it looks like it's e to the power x1, let's say, into 1 plus e to the power x2 into 2 plus so and so until, let's say, e to the power, okay, suppose you have function like this. Okay, so that function consists of 10 variables, and in here I've used this x1, x2, x10. So you can consider, for example, there are 10 variables from a to j. So this can be e to the power a times 1 plus e to the power b times 2, so and so. Okay, so this is how I and sorry, and the expression is something like this. Okay, so the modulus of this whole thing. Okay, so we consider this to be our function, and I define it in here like this. Okay, so now here this x is a vector of 10 variables, and now we want to see how we can minimize this. Okay, so now you can see my initial guess is now 10 valued vector, so it has 10 elements, and now instead of defining these arbitrary numbers like in the early example, I just take some random initial guess. Okay, and then once we run this, so you can see now the minimum weights are 10 by 1. So you can see here the values. So they give different values. So this is the first value, and the minus 7.5918 is the second value, so and so. So you can see it's simple. So when you have multiple variables, it's similar to the two variable case, but you have to be careful on how you define the initial guess and also the cost function. Okay, so it can be any cost function, and here I've considered just one simple example of a possible cost function, and you can define your own. So thank you for watching. In the next video we'll talk about much more how we can use, because these are now we use these real valued functions. So in the next one I will teach you how we can use complex valued functions to evaluate the minimization. Thank you.